Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by launching Aurora on your Xbox 360. This is where you manage titles. Once done, navigate to the Storage tab so you can see drives and titles listed. Make sure the disk or USB shows correct free space and that you backed up any save files you want to keep, because deletion is permanent. You do this now to avoid losing progress. Confirm controller input works, and that Aurora displays your game list before proceeding to selection. You now locate the exact package to remove, navigate games then titles or content, and scan the list. Once highlighted, press it to open the context menu so you see file details and any dependencies like DLC or saves. Make sure you understand what's tied to that package. Deleting a parent title can orphan DLC. If multiple files exist, manually select each associated file or folder. Because Aurora lists sizes, use that to confirm you're removing the right big file. You press delete and confirm the prompts. Aurora will remove the files from the selected drive, so wait until it reports completion. Once finished, refresh the view or restart Aurora to verify the title is gone and that free space reflects the removal. If the game still appears or space did not change, clear Aurora's cache, check that the drive isn't write-locked, and rescan the file system. If permissions or corrupted file tables block deletion, use an FTP client or connect drive to.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.